guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna be learning about area of triangles, as you can see on the screen. So before we start and solve all the questions, first we're gonna read out the formula and the key or remembered thing, like the thing you have to remember or slash note. So let's read out the formula first. So the formula is base multiplied by height divided by 2. So basically we have to multiply the base by the height and then divide the total by 2. Okay, so let's read the note. Area is the amount of shape a 2D or dimensional or flat shape takes up our formula for finding area. So basically what they mean by that is like area is the amount of shape a 2D or any flat shape, like any flat shape, takes the actual formula for finding like the area of the triangle. So yeah, that's just a tip or note or something. Okay, so now let's solve the problems. So 10, as you said, we have to first write out for the area, sorry. So the area is, sorry if I didn't really write the A as neat as I could. So 10 wait, we have to do, so base multiplied by height divided by 2. Okay, so where's the base? The base is this, which is 11, and the height is this, because the height is the thing that actually like measures like the whole height. Like, for example, this is not the height. This is not the height. The height is this, because the height has to like start from the corner, like it has to start from the highest point. So for example, if they give you three numbers, you have to pick the one from the highest point, because if the one with the highest points measures the whole shape. But if you pick the one like from here, for example, it'll measure like half the shape, which is obviously not what we want. Okay, so as we said, 11 is the base and 10 is the height. So in total, they will be 110. Now, before we head to question number 2, we have to divide them, which is really important. For example, if they give you an exam or quiz about this area of triangles, you like be really careful to not miss out dividing the numbers, because dividing the numbers are really important. That's like the whole point of the area of triangles. So 110 divided by 2. So just like, take the 10 out of the 100 and divide 100 by 2, which will equal 15. And then divide the 10, which will equal 5. So 55 multiplied by 2, which will equal 110. So 55 is the answer. Like the answer, like the official answer, the 55. Pretty easy. So let's head on to number 2. 6. Okay, let's first write the formula. I keep forgetting that. Base multiplied by height. Okay. So the base here is number 18, pretty big number, and the height is the 6, which is good because, yeah, it's good because, okay. Anyways, 6 multiplied by, wait, oh, sorry, wait, the formula is pretty messed up, so I'm gonna just erase it and write it back because it's taking up space, like lots of space. So let's do base multiplied by height. Okay, much better. So so 6 multiplied by 18. So remember 6 is sorry, the 8 is messed up kind of. So remember 6 is the height and 18 is the base. We have to remember that. Because, I mean, like, I don't really know if teachers gonna of teachers are gonna ask you this, but they might ask you like, what's the base? What's the height? You might get mixed up. So try just to memorize the height and base so you don't really get mixed up. Okay, so 16 multiplied by 18 equals 108. Now we cannot head to number 3 without even dividing it. So as I said, I'll give you a little trick. So just divide the 100 will equal 50. Now divide the 8 will equal 4. So the official answer is 54. Pretty easy. It's like if, for example, your exam that doesn't have that much time, just use my tip because it's really helpful and it'll help you a lot, like on being faster in finding the area of triangles. Okay, let's head in to number 3 now. So let's write the area. Area equals base multiplied by height divided by 2. So, okay, so 14 multiplied. Okay, this is just messed up. I'm really sorry. Um, it's been a really long time since I uploaded a video. I'm not really used to this. But I'm not really used to. I do not know what happened. I think the screen recording automatically stopped or something, but I think I manually did it accidentally. But just before I end this video, I'm just gonna tell you the two answers for number 3 and 4 because obviously the recording stopped. So the answer for number 3 is 70 because we divided 140. And how do we get 140? By multiplying